Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Week started on the 25th, Monday. So this is the first trade, pound USD from 20-minute chart, 80 pip. This is the entry right here. Buy order is here, SL move, break even plus. Right. So every single trade is by the book, by the setup, nothing without the setup. All right. So this is pound USD. On the 25th, Euro Aussie, you can see beautiful short setup here and went down not much, but 60 pip. Usually Monday is slow. So, and then 26th there was nothing, and then 27 you have this pound USD again, and it is a 105 pip so far from this long here, and several entries, and it went all the way up to the side. On the 27th, Aussie USD as well. And because USD was getting weaker, and I'll show you how later on. So this is the entry on Aussie USD going to the upside for 50 pip, and then pound CAD on the 27th, beautiful, just moving along in a bullish pattern, and then all of a sudden, boom, it opens up. And went up for 90 pip here on the 27th. Now on the 28th, USD yen going short from here, right? I had the trade from the top, but it was not with the setup, so I'm not showing that. Right, but I had the reason to go short all the way from the top from 37.30, right? So that was a 40-minute, and I was expecting that. You can see my last video where I said that I'll be waiting for this yen strength, and everything was going to go down. So anyway, so USD yen went down for 100 pip here, and then similarly CAD yen went down, beautiful short setup for 90 pip, as well as Euro yen went down for 150 pip right there. Pound yen also, all yen pair went down, but I missed those. Pound yen, and there was another one, Aussie yen. But Aussie yen, I got it at the next day, which is 29 Aussie yen. It dropped here before on the 28th, but it didn't give me any entry, right? This one kind of like an entry, but I kind of missed it, to be honest with you. So Aussie yen, I missed on the 28th, Aussie yen and pound yen, but I caught this Aussie yen here on the 29th today for 85 pip. So these are, so now see the last almost like 4 yen pairs. Let me show you why they all went down. Let me show you here. I was expecting that. I made the chart, and here. But this is not this one, but let me show you one before that. This is the chart I made on the 23rd, which was last Saturday, and then Sunday on the webinar, I told my subscribers that this is supposed to happen, and then this is supposed to happen. This will send all yen pairs down. This is X is extra here, not yen index, but yen pairs down. So I said that if yen index is gonna drop, right? It was dropping here, and then more is supposed to drop, all the way here. It's not gonna be in 1 day or 1 week, several weeks, probably several months, but this will be the route below this area, and if that happens, this will happen. So that's why I had all these yen pairs going to the downside, because this chart, what happened to this one is this. See this black candle, and this is a weekly chart. So it's a big candle, big move to the downside. So all the way actually came down to hit this 63.20. Let me just go there quickly and show you yen index. And currently, see that it even poked into it. So this is on the 29th. So far, it came down below 63.29. And hopefully, I think that's going to be going down and sending all yen pair to the downside. But I'm not trading. I close all my trades for today. Another chart that I had the pound USD and Aussie USD to the upside, and USD yen to the downside, is because USD is supposed to get weaker. And let me show you the USD. Okay, I'm going to show you USD 80-minute chart. This is like a daily chart. This was the chart that I made on the 14th July, that we're going to go up a little bit to hit this area, FE 100%, and then extension of 161%. And from there, it's going to drop to one of these levels. First this one, and then hopefully this one, the 23% line, right? This chart, what happened to this chart? Let's go take a look at the live chart now. USD index chart, but the recorded chart, let me just show you the recorded chart. What happened? That chart is exactly came to this 1 second. That is 23% line as of 29th, Friday. So because of that, what happened? All of those pairs, USD pairs. Let me see if I have the weekly chart. This is yen, and USD. Let me quickly see if I can get that weekly chart. USD before no, that's not the one. However, let me USDX weekly to 29 and the 714. That's 80 minute. No, I don't know where it is right now. Sometimes you just you have the chart, but kind of like I saved them different places. USD weekly. One on 23rd, man. Come on. Where is that? 29 before. Don't have it here. But let me see this one. 7-9. That is supposed to go up here at that drop. The one on the 23rd I made. Where the heck that one go? Let me just let me see the desktop. It's probably gonna be here. USD weekly. Okay, here. See, this is the chart I made on the 23rd last Saturday, and then Sunday I gave it to my subscribers, saying that this is what's gonna happen. Gonna drop from here, and then EU, GU, AU, and you go up. So I didn't have the EU, right? Because the euro is also very weak. So this, they never gave me the setup. These two I had for the long side, and this I don't even trade. Here I had the UC downside, couple of trades, but last week, not this week. And this one I don't trade, and this one I had a trade. I just showed you UJ. So this what happened usually when USD gets weaker, and right now you can see that that's what happened. See, there was a mark there, and so far beautiful move to the downside, and all of this happened. So this is what my analysis are. These are the trades I take based on my analysis. So this is what I teach in my webinars, and like I said, that if you like what you saw and you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, then go on my website and subscribe. And if you are in need of learning this Forex business from scratch, then sign up for one-on-one, and I'll be teaching you 10-hour course over the Zoom. And you will learn every single thing, not only this strategy, that your system, how to use this, but also how to do the analysis, the weekly, monthly charts, and then take it from there. And yet we have harmonic pattern, SNL level, trend line, everything I teach in my online, one-on-one course. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Oh man.